Hi, I'm Yoshi, and today what I'm going to demonstrate for you guys is a layered haircut. The situation that we're going through today is my model's growing out her hair. Now, one of the things that she's finding is the hair's getting longer, of course it's getting heavier. It's starting to drag and weigh her hair down. So what we want to do is still maintain the length, but what we're going to do is layer the interior so that she can still have that movement, still have that body and volume by going in and lightening the interior of the haircut. Alright, so what we're going to do is we're going to first start off by cutting the outline, establishing the length, just cleaning up the outline because like I said, she still wants to grow it, and then from there we'll take it into the layers. Okay, so for a recap, basically what we've done is we've cut this in a neutral part in the center so she can go either left to right or right to left. She does like to go back and forth. As you can see, we've got these layers here through the front that frame the face. Basically, it gives it, a lighter feel. It's not so heavy. We've maintained the length. We just kind of dust and clean the length so she can continue to grow the hair. But we've also got all this great movement from layers. A quick recap as far as what we did. First, we established the outline, just cleaning up the length. There wasn't a lot to establish since we knew we were going to be growing it. We could have gone higher if we wanted to, had she not been growing it. We also then, secondly, achieved the layers throughout the front that frame the face. After that, we then took the interior layers and lightened those up as well. Blow dried it, went through, refined it, cross-checked it, and basically we are now done. Okay, so once again, I'm Yoshi Shiraki. We went through a layered haircut on a particular situation where my model wanted to maintain the length, but wanted to lighten it up. She didn't want it to be so heavy. She did want to grow it long. The problem with it growing long is it started to get heavy, so we went in, did some nice layers, slightly rounding it up at the top just to create a little bit more lightness at the top. I hope you guys enjoyed it, and I will see you guys on the next video.